We need to respect them, but we need to learn in our mistake we do in the first game we did about them.
Selamat datang di sesi kedua PreMatch Press Conference dari Liga 1 pertandingan pekan keempat antara tuan rumah PSM Makassar melawan tim tamu Persib Bandung.
Selamat sore. First, I know that tomorrow is Wednesday, day of the week, but I wish that our supporters can make a sacrifice, come to the stadium to support our players because they deserve. About the game, Persib, strong team, big budget, maybe the biggest budget of Liga Sato at this moment. They are the champion. They not lose any important key player, and they bring very good players. We already compete against them this season. We lose 2-0. So tomorrow is going to be a very tough match. Unfortunately, we cannot count with 7 players. Some of them are injured, others are on national team. We bring full squad for Balikpapan. We're gonna have on 19 days 5 matches. What is not easy when we have a team with many players without experience, not just on Liga Sato, but also on seniors, because they are very young. We are the youngest team of this competition. So this is why I start today, apply for the supporters come to the stadium tomorrow, because it's going to be a tough match against the champion, and they have many solutions. Maybe 1 or 2 players cannot play, but second lines of them, it's like first lines. So means that tomorrow our players need to have our supporters on the stadium. So please, come to Batakan tomorrow.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum salam.
We speak about the game tomorrow. This is one team we already know, we already played with them. We lose 2-0. They were champion last season. We need to respect them, but we need to learn in our mistake we do in the first game we did about them. And we need to improve the things we do good. Last time we played with them. I think now the team is more strong, have more confidence than the first game we played about them. And the last thing is about our fans. We know it's not easy for them because Makassar is Balikpapan is difficult. Maybe financially to come for some guys maybe more difficult because the end day of the week more difficult more to come. This is why we need to call them. This game is important for us. The apoio delas é muito importante para nós.
The support of them is very important to us.
Bilang bahwa ada pemain diduga cedera dan tidak tertampil melawan PreMatch. Padahal kita tahu sendiri bahwa Persib juga Anda juga merupakan tim kuat. Gimana Anda mengatasi kehilangan 7 ini untuk laga?
Good question. This is why we don't have just 11 players. We sign with more than 11 players, and the club have signing many players to try to anticipate the situation. We have other players that must play. It's sometimes we are predict that some players can help us for this match, but some of them are injured, some of them are on national team. It's opportunity that for other player. It's opportunity for other player, and sometimes these players that can have this opportunity, sometimes they catch the opportunity, sometimes they not catch the opportunity. But I think if the supporters come, it's more easy for the player come inside, because feel the support, and the last matches, the supports that come here make fantastic job supporting. They are not too much, but they make too much noise, and I feel like the players give not 100%, the players give 200%. And tomorrow, maybe 200% from our players against Persib, maybe it's not enough. Maybe tomorrow we need 1000%. So this is why I wish that the supporters can come tomorrow and support as they support the last games.
Cukup, teman-teman?
Okay, terima kasih.